Can geometry create perfect silence? Meet Arjun, a brilliant engineer trapped in a world of endless, suffocating noise. His office is a chaotic hub where phones scream and keyboards click like machine guns. 100 different conversations bounce off the glass walls, creating a sonic nightmare. For Arjun, these sound waves feel like invisible physical objects hitting him from every side. He notices his colleagues struggling too, rubbing their temples in deep frustration. The modern office was designed for collaboration, but it accidentally became an acoustic disaster. Arjun looks up at the ugly grey foam panels on the ceiling, knowing they aren't enough. He realizes that traditional soundproofing requires massive weight, like thick bricks or heavy insulation. But Arjun refuses to build a bunker. He wants a workspace that can actually breathe. He begins to wonder if geometry can fight sound more effectively than bulk and mass. He retreats to his private lab to experiment with a concept called acoustic metamaterials. This isn't a new chemical plastic, but a material defined entirely by its physical shape. On his computer, Arjun designs microscopic labyrinths and strange, repeating geometric coils. He focuses on the architecture of the space inside the material rather than the chemistry. He discovers that a specific structure can trap human voice frequencies in an endless loop. The goal is to force the sound to cancel itself out before it ever crosses the panel. However, these intricate shapes are far too complex for any traditional factory to manufacture. Arjun brings in his secret weapon, a high-end, precision 3D printer. The nozzle moves with surgical precision, layering a futuristic, alien-like lattice structure. When it finishes, he holds up a thin, almost transparent panel that looks incredibly fragile. Inside this light object lies a mathematical masterpiece of perfectly tuned resonant cavities. To test it, Arjun invites Maya, a high-powered executive who is constantly stressed by noise. Maya is hypersensitive to sound. She can hear a pin drop from across a room. Arjun sets up a buzzing speaker on one side of a table and Maya on the other. At first, the noise is unbearable, and Maya winces, covering her ears in discomfort. Then, Arjun slides his thin metamaterial panel between Maya and the screaming speaker. Suddenly, the noise vanishes completely as the geometry eats the sound waves. Maya is stunned, touching the lightweight panel and marveling at the heavy silence it creates. Arjun knows a single panel isn't enough, as sound is sneaky and leaks through every gap. He spends months refining the design, learning to guide sound rather than just blocking it. He envisions transparent partitions that allow light to flood in while keeping the noise out. He presents his final vision to the board, describing a world of smart, invisible geometric structures. He explains that the future of architecture is about making existing walls work smarter. Arjun transforms the office into a sanctuary where light remains, but the chaos is finally tamed. Maya can finally think clearly, and Arjun has proven that the smartest design wins over the strongest material.